Hello, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of energy transfer. Energy transfer refers to the movement or conversion of energy from one form to another. Think of energy transfer like passing a baton in a relay race. Just as the baton moves from one runner to the next, energy can be passed from one object to another, causing changes in motion or other effects. We'll start with a simple example: a ball rolling down a hill. As the ball rolls, its kinetic energy increases, due to the force of gravity pulling it downhill. This is a classic example of energy transfer, where potential energy, stored in the ball at the top of the hill, is converted into kinetic energy as the ball moves downhill. Have you noticed the movement of a pendulum? When you release a pendulum, it swings back and forth, continually transferring energy between kinetic and potential forms. As the pendulum swings, it reaches its maximum height, where it has potential energy, before descending again, converting potential energy back into kinetic energy. Finally, let's consider a more challenging example: a car braking. When a car brakes, its kinetic energy decreases as it slows down. This energy is transferred into heat energy, due to friction between the brake pads and the wheels. This real-world scenario illustrates how energy transfer occurs in everyday situations, impacting the motion and behavior of objects. By understanding energy transfer, we can better comprehend the changes in motion and energy around us. Remember, energy is always on the move, transferring from one object to another, shaping the world we live in.